Good morning, students. Class 12 Humanities, Home Science, Chapter 1 Development in Adolescence, Part 1 Physical, Motor, and Sexual Development. Introduction. Literally meaning of adolescence, stages of adolescence, characteristic of adolescence, physical development, motor development, and sexual development. Literally meaning of adolescence. Adolescence from Latin adolescere meaning to grow up. It is a transitional age of physical and psychological human development generally occurring during the period from puberty to legal adulthood, age of majority. The period of adolescence is most closely associated with the teen age years, though its physical, psychological, and cultural expression can begin earlier and later. Three main stages of adolescence can be discerned as early adolescence 9 to 13 years, characterized by spurt of growth and the development of secondary sexual characteristics. Mid adolescence between 14 to 15 years. This stage is distinguished by the development of separate identity from parents, of new relationships with peer groups and the opposite sex, and of experimentation. Late adolescence 16 to 19 years. At this age, adolescents have fully developed physically characteristics similar to adult and have formed a distinct identity and have well formed opinion and ideas. Characteristic of adolescence. The first point is adolescence is an important period. It is important for both psychological and physical effects because of its immediate effects on the attitude and behavior. Second point is adolescence is a period of change. When physical changes are rapid during early adolescence, changes in attitude and behavior are also rapid. Now, third point is adolescence is a problem age. Their problem and needs are taken care of by parents and teachers throughout childhood. Suddenly, adolescents start feeling that they are independent and try to do everything on their own and end up in frustration. Now, next point is adolescence is a time of unrealism. They have a lot of unrealistic aspiration, desires, and goal not only for themselves but also for their families and friends. Next, adolescence in a threshold of adulthood. They want to create an impression that they are close to adult, which they shows their dressing and behavior associated with the adult status like smoking, drinking, using drugs, in in in, in engaging in sex, etc. Physical development. First point is height. The height of boys and girls remains same between the age of 9 to 10 years. After that, rapid growth is found between 10 to 14 years and steady at 16 to 18 years. Second is weight. The increase in weight among girls occur just before and immediate after the first menstruation cycle. The time interval is 11 to 15 years. Similarly, maximum weight gain among boys is seen between 13 to 16 years. For this reason, girls have more weight between 10 to 15 years than boys of their own age, but this is reversal pattern after 15. Other changes in body proportion. The body grows when the puberty begins. However, all the organs of the body do not grow at the same pace. consequently remains the childish status of the childhood. Now, last point is development of internal organs. There is the proportional growth and development of the internal organs of adolescents which occur in early teens. Motor development. Motor development. Motor development is a muscle growth. Motor skill develop in the first 18 years of life. Although in girls, their development tends to stabilize around puberty. Strength and power rapidly increase in proportion to muscle mass under the influence of hormonal activity. The daily use of motor activities, games, and physical education must allow children to acquire a set of motor skill, that is gross motor skill development. During middle childhood, children continue to build on and improve gross motor skills. The large scale body movement skills such as walking and running that they first learn during earlier development stages. In general, boys develop these skills slightly faster than do girls, except for skills involving balance and precise movements such as skipping, jumping, and hopping. At this age, children run faster and jump higher than previously possible. These figures are arranged for children of this age. Range and will not apply to individual children. Middle childhood age children also refine their control over gross motor skills, learning to master where they hop, skip, throw, and jump. They also able to gain this improved control and coordination due to increase in their flexibility, balance, and agility. Children at this age also learn how to synchronize the movement of their body, various parts, allowing for the developing of smoother, more coordinated whole body movement routines such as are needed for participating in organized sports. Due to their progress with regards to the growth and maturity of motor, consecutive and social skills, many children will become capable and competitive participants on sports teams. Development of strength, motor power rises gradually over the course of the growth progress process depending on the increase. Sexual development in male and female. The in male, the hair grows over the genitals about 1 year after the increase in the size of testicular glands and penis. Beard and mustache on the side and face. Hair growth on the arms, legs, shoulders, and chest. All types of hair are light in color and slightly soft in the beginning and then become dense, stiff, dark, and curved. Skin become rigid, thick, and yellowish, rough, excessive acne from activation of oil glands. Activation of armpit sweat glands causes sweating in the vicinity and a special odor emerges. First tone of sound is soft, then become heavy. And sperm production begins. In female, increase in width of buttocks due to the growth of pelvic bone and development of adrenal glands. Enlargement of breasts and chest along with the deposition of fat due to which breast lifts from the theoretic surface to cone shape. The breasts are big and round due to growth of milk glands, growth of black and thick hair on the genitals, hair growth and swelling of sweat glands of armpit, growth of the upper lips, cheeks, face, edges, and the lower edge of chin. Activation of skin oil glands causes face acne. Voice becomes softer and harmonious. Both oily skin, acne, body odor, and more perspiration, growth, sprout, start to care more about what others think, interest in opposite gender, think like an adult, spend more time with friends, consider consequences of your actions. Thank you. अबे तू